Alright. Let's go get there a little quicker, maybe. We'll go from here.
There's a plane, you know.
That's way up there. Okay, watch out for Scraggle. Don't be a dingus like me and hit it. Oh, neat.
Yeah, hey.
Whee! How about this tree line over... Oh, a tree fell down. You see that?
Yep.
Ooh, there's a house over here. Alright. Ooh, look at that sunset.
Where'd you go?
By the road tree line. Ooh, Scraggle.
Yeah, lot. Uh-oh. You're slowing down.
Should I speed up?
I got you.
Scraggle. Big tree, pull up. Ooh,
Pull up. I'm right behind you.
holy shit.
That's really cool.
Some big ass trees.
Yeah.
Alright, that's so much for the trees. Okay, let's ride the power lines.
Oh, yay.
What? Should be fine.
I'll be up here if you need me.
Well, they kind of dip down.
Yeah, and so, whoa.
Do you see me?
Go. I lost you. There you are. Okay. Yeah, the power lines fuck with my mind.
Yeah, because they dip down. I'm by the tower.
I see. I'm right behind you.
I hope the sunset looks as cool as it does in here.
I know, right?
See, this would be perfect, the trippy spin, but yeah, I ain't doing it with this quad.
No.
Good video so far.
Same.
Look at all those strobe lights. I could... God, DJI is amazing.
I'm right behind you. Uh-oh.
Bad?
No, we're good.
My LQ is good.
You can't even look. Because you tend to follow you.
Whoa. Somebody just flew in front of me.
Yeah.
I wonder if this shit's even outputting anything.
I don't know.
Oh, I see like flashing lights on top.
Yep.
Alright, now I'm going for the dive. Whee! Oh, there's a car there.
Yep, where'd you go? Oh, I'm following you. I dove with you, dude. That is gonna look so cool.
Really?
Yeah,
That car was not there before.
I know.
Alright, I'm coming
I
back.
told you that.
Huh?
I should have told you that. I saw it there before.
I'm gonna go through the playground a little bit, just because. I got 3.6, so
I
it's...
do too.
Whee! Oh, I almost collided with you.
Huh?
I almost collided with you.
I know, I went through it too, though.
Okay, I'm gonna go through the sneaky way here. Oh,
Yeah, I wouldn't do
whoopsie.
it with that quad.
Oh god. Okay, we're good. Props out. Alright, I should come back. No sense to take this battery all the way down. Huh. Okay.
Fuck.